Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the receiver and confirming the transmitter battery is charged. Make sure firmware isn't stale. Once done, put the transmitter in pairing mode and activate the receiver's scan. This is the first actionable step. You then choose the physical input, XLR or line, and set initial gain low to prevent clipping while pairing. Make sure antenna cables are secure. If you see a sync indicator, stop scanning and proceed to lock the channel so signals do not wander. You now focus on configuration. Install the receiver's driver or update its firmware and grant any OS permissions required. Once done, select the receiver as the input device in your recording or streaming app and choose 44, 1 or 48 kHz sample rate to match project settings. Next, balance RF gain and audio gain, reduce RF if overloads occur. Finally, set buffer or latency to a tolerable level, lower for live performance, higher for stability. You finish by mounting the receiver and positioning antennas for the clearest line of sight to transmitters. Secure all connectors. Once mounted, perform a full sound check. Verify levels, phase, and monitor for dropouts while moving through performance positions. Make gradual adjustments to gain and EQ. Once satisfied, lock settings. If you do encounter interference or audio loss, try one key troubleshooting step. Change the receiver channel and repair. If that fails, reboot both units and rescan. This often clears conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.